Entomopathogenic nematodes. These are the tiny, tiny worms. Can save billions if you know how to use them. Their tiny worms can control number of insect pests, chafer grubs, leatherjackets, caterpillars, weevils, you just name it. More than 50 different kind of pests they can control. But here is the problem. How to apply them? And the most people fail. That's where we come. We hold the hand and we explain how to apply, how to store, and how to make them work in a scenario where it's more difficult. For example, the turf grass. If you're just applying nematodes on the turf, it's very much you are throwing something on the carpet. Now, these tiny worms are not going to move through the carpet unless you make them work. And that's where, again, you need something, a biosurfactant, a compatible product, which can facilitate their movement through the thatch layer. Once they pass the thatch layer, obviously, then they are very close to the chafer grubs and the leatherjacket larvae. And that's where the next step starts. They will try to penetrate through the natural openings like anus, mouth, aspiracles, and then they will inject bacteria. Once bacteria injected inside the larvae of chafer grubs and the leatherjacket, these bacteria multiply very quickly and they release toxins, and those will kill the insects within 24 to 48 hours. There is a lot of myth around whether nematode is killing or bacteria is killing. But let me be very clear. Nematodes are just as a carrier. They are introducing bacteria very much inside the insect. That's it. They don't do any work. It's the bacteria which is killing the insects. And these bacteria are safe to the human, safe to the environment, and safe to the beneficial insects and birds as well. So these are the very unsung heroes of biological solution. Those can, and they are only replacing the chemical pesticides. Those are causing serious problem to our crop, soil health, water, human health. It's a serious problem. So let's work together and bring these biological solution to replace chemical pesticide. Thank you very much.